Alright guys, welcome back to the first update on Tropical Cyclone Judy, which formed in the South Pacific about a day ago now. But you can see on the satellite imagery it's trying to really get itself together. I mean, it already is. The JTWC are expecting rapid intensification to take place. They weren't expecting this. But now they are expecting rapid intensification. There's just something that needs to happen with its low-level circulation, and once that happens, they're expecting the storm to really intensify up to a peak of 105 miles per hour. The JTWC is now predicting, with a landfall over Port Vila. I believe the JTWC is predicting as well over the capital of Vanuatu. But first of all, we're going to get into the statistics for the storm. Currently, the storm has maximum sustained winds of 60 miles per hour. That is 95 kilometers per hour. Gusting with winds of 80 miles per hour. It's moving west-southwest at 9 miles per hour. And of course, it is going to be a threat to Vanuatu, mainly Vanuatu. Could be a minor threat to maybe New Caledonia, but that is a bit of a stretch at this time. It's mainly going to be Vanuatu, mainly a rainfall threat as well. Take a look at the estimates here. We're going with the JTWC of 60 miles per hour. Fiji going with 60 miles per hour. That's in 10-minute winds. I believe that equates to around 70 or 65 miles per hour. So they are going quite high. ADT going with 60 miles per hour. AIDT going with 45 miles per hour. And SATCOM going with 60 miles per hour. I don't think there's really much different going with 60 miles per hour. I don't think there's really any reasoning to go higher or lower, since the majority of the estimates are going with 60 miles per hour currently. So I don't really think there's much reasoning to differ from the officials and the satellite estimations. Taking a look at the Fiji meteorological forecast cone here, we can see they currently have it at Category 2. And they actually expect it to reach Category 3 on Port Vila. You can quite clearly see that. It becomes a Category 3 pretty much on Port Vila, with those destructive winds reaching Port Vila. And it actually makes our landfall, and that is not good. Of course, we also, in 2020, the Cyclone Harold came through here as a 175 mile per hour Category 5. That doesn't look to be the case, but we can't rule out a Category 3 here on the Saffir-Simpson scale, which does equate to, I believe, a Category, it is still a Category 3 on the Fiji scale, or the Australian scale, however you want to say it. But yeah, expected to reach that Category 3 peak. It is going to be quite fast-moving, though, which is good news. Taking a look at the JTWC forecast cone, you can see currently 50 knots, 60 miles per hour. This just came out about 45 minutes ago. And you can see that peak up to 90 knots, which equates to 105 miles per hour. And gusts are up to 110 knots, which equates to 125 miles per hour. So a landfall on Port Vila is expected with winds of 80 knots, and then you can see it's fast moving. However, of course, we do have another invest behind this storm, which is going to move through a very similar area to where this storm's moving through, if not the exact same area. So we need to watch out for that storm as well. Models are really picking up on it, developing, especially models like the GFS. I don't know about HWRF. I don't think they've actually issued a model run on it yet, but currently the track it's looking pretty certain. Intensity wise, though, it could do whatever it wants. I mean, it could rapidly intensify. It probably already is. However, we can't really see that since microwave imagery. We haven't seen the last pass in quite a while, or at least I haven't seen the last pass in quite a while. The last pass I saw, it just looked like your odd tropical storm. Take a look at water vapor imagery. Those reds and yellows show you where the highest rainfall totals are going to be. And you can see quite a large area of reds. This is like comparable to Hurricane Dorian's eye wall on 2019. Its eye wall was covered by these red convection, and that indicated an extremely strong storm. You couldn't actually really see it on the IR. I mean, the IR only said there was cloud tops of minus 70, but now on the water vapor it was just covered in these reds. And these reds indicate very heavy rainfall totals and very strong winds. Mainly the winds are going to be stronger where those reds and yellows are, since it is the mid-level water vapor. And you can see starting to approach Vanuatu now. Winds are going to start picking up. I don't know what the reported winds are yet. I will check that out if we get some significant wind reports. Make sure to check out my community posts, and I'll post updates on there for this storm system. And yeah, currently looking pretty decent. Here's visible imagery. You can see that really clear low-level circulation starting to spin over Vanuatu. So I won't be surprised if there's already winds are really starting to pick up. Rainfall is going to be skyrocketing through the roof. Hopefully the convection dies down. If an eye clears out, the convection may die down a bit, but of course sometimes, like for example Super Typhoon Noru, the convection did not calm down whatsoever with that storm. The eye wall was very strong even when it formed. That's not likely to be a repeat of that, though. We could be seeing a Cat 2 or maybe a Category 3. It just depends really what the storm wants to do. It has prime conditions to do whatever it wants. We'll see what it does in the near future. Anyway, thank you for watching this update on Tropical Cyclone Judy. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next update. Peace out.